just started aerial hammock and everything online looks impossible. Today I'm giving you 5 moves that you can do right now. No climbing, no flexibility required. We will practice each of the moves individually and then put them into a combo. You will look beautiful and have fun flowing on the aerial hammock. To follow along, set your hammock around hip height. There should be space between your head and the ground when you invert. Set up your safety mat and let's start our practice today. We're starting with a real basic. Knees to elbows, straighten the legs to an invert, hook the right, stretch the left to the back as you climb up, straighten the right and press it down. Now let's try this together. Come to your hammock. I bring my hands down and push the hammock down so I can lean on the hammock without swinging. One by one, knees up to the elbows, straighten the legs. Hook the right leg, send the left leg to the back, and reach your arms high. Straighten, and I send the leg to the mirror. Now is the moment to stretch the free arm, and reverse to come back down. Let's practice again. This time we will bend the left leg. Also face the other side so you can see from the back. Push the hammock down and put it around my waist. Lean down on it, put my weight on it, no swinging. Then I bring the knees up one by one. Continue to lean down and stretch the legs. If you're comfortable, feel free to let your hands go. Now bend the left, send the right to the back. Climb up. Straighten the bent leg, press it down and send it away from you. Now we can stretch the arm for a little pose, and then find your way to get back down. Almost every move we do today will start this way. You will have lots of practice. So let's take a look at the second move, then we will try both of them together. Here we're gonna go into a mermaid. I will initiate the movement by bringing the bottom knee up, placing my ankle around the silks, can turn and face my stomach to the ground for this variation of mermaid. Let's start from the top and add the second move. Press the silk down, lean on it, knees to elbow, straighten to invert, bend the right leg, straighten and climb up. Start with bringing the knees up, ankle around the fabric and continue to turn until your stomach is facing the ground and stretch your free arm out. You can even extend the leg or just keep it there. And reverse to come back. Real simple. Now you know what we're gonna do. We're going to switch to start hooking with the left leg and try on the other side. Lean down, knees to elbow to invert. Hook the left leg. Climb up and straighten the left leg. Now knees again, bring it up. Continue to turn until your stomach is facing the ground. Stretch your arms and legs with energy, and then send it back to finish. Third move, it's real easy. We're just gonna be crossing our legs and sitting on the hammock. From this position, I bring the free leg on top of the other leg, cross and sit my hip down, and simply arch and reach my inside arm. Let's just practice this move. We'll put it all together later. We'll start from an invert, hooking the right leg, climb up and straighten. Now we're crossing the leg by bringing the free leg above the wrap leg and bend them, sit down, reach the left arm, arch with energy. Real easy. Now let's try the other side. Lean down, knees to elbow, left leg hook, Climb and straighten. Cross the free leg. Bend them, sit the hip down. Feel free to try reaching whichever arm you feel like. I find it prettier to reach the inside arm, the one that is closer to the fabric. From here, we'll directly go to move 4, an exciting one. I step the outside leg on the fabric and kick it away. My right foot come to the left side of the pole of this fabric, so I can slide and stretch my upper body for this pose. Let's start from the top. Knees to elbows to invert, hook the right leg, climb up, cross the legs. Now, left leg step hard to kick the fabric away, right foot come to the inside of the fabric. Keep kicking the leg, send the hip up and stretch your upper body long. All the tension is what keeping you here. The more you kick open the back leg, the prettier this pose is gonna look. And I climb up, release the legs to come back down. Now the other side. Lean on the hammock, knees to elbows to invert, bend the left leg, climb up and straighten, cross the legs. Let's try to make a wider angle this time. My right leg is kicking the fabric away. You see how I also send my hip higher? Then I bring my left foot to the front, inside of the fabric, and then arch and stretch. Notice the difference when I send my hip up. Now the legs are further apart and the pose is more dramatic. Once you're here, play with your arms with energy. You're ready? Hold the fabric again and release the foot. Come on down and let's see the challenge of the day. It's going to be a little roll. Same starting from invert, bending the leg, but this time as I pull myself up, I'm bringing the other leg completely over until I'm back here again. Let's see it slowly from here. As I stretch and press the leg down, little pull up, turn, bring the free leg through the fabric and continue to go until back in an invert. It looks fun, right? Now let's try together. Starting from the beginning, just practicing this roll together. Lean down on the hammock, invert, bend the right leg. It's all going to happen fast. Get ready to straighten and press, pull, turn, and voila! It might take a few practice for you to get used to the leg movement. Basically, you just want to keep the leg straight the whole time and let the body to go through the fabric. Let's try together on the other leg. Come to an invert, bend the left leg, climb. Now we're in the ready position. Get ready to straighten, climb, turn, and finish. Now we practice all the 5 moves. Let's review them, then we're gonna practice them together. Starting with this one that we practiced endless time already. We invert and we come up to a single leg wrap. Next is bring the knee up until you turn into a mermaid pose. And then we cross our legs. Then we kick the fabric out with the outside leg for a little upside down pose here. And the last one is the fun little roll that we just practiced. Ready to try it all together? Let's get ready to play. Lean down on the hammock and come to an invert. Bend the right leg, climb, straighten, take a little moment. Then the knee is gonna come up and throw my body to the other side for a mermaid. Bring the knee back so you can come to a cross-legged seat position. Kick the fabric out with the outside leg. And then lengthen your body. Grab the fabric to release the legs. Starting from a straddle, bend the right leg, climb and immediately go into a roll. And back to straddle. You can continue to roll as many times as you want. Come on down and we are going to do the whole thing again on the other side. Really proud of you for following through here. And now, let's practice one last time together. Lean down on the hammock. Knees up to invert. Hook the left leg. Straighten the leg. Take a little moment. Knee up and throw my body to mermaid. And back to cross the legs and sit for a moment. Kick the fabric with the outside leg and lengthen the body. Add a little more energy in your limbs, your arms. Grab the fabric again, release the legs. This time hooking the left leg. Get ready and roll to finish. If you really enjoy learning aerial hammock but always asking what do you need to do to progress or get better, I built an 8-week aerial hammock foundational program specifically for those of you who are at this level right now. Students who have completed the program love the drills and the structure lessons that help them build aerial skills and the general confidence they need in the air. If you got your own hammock at home and ready for more, check out the 8-week foundational program, link in the description below. Keep practicing these moves. In part 2, we will turn our hammock into a sling and learn how to spin for real from the start. Fly safe and I'll see you in part 2. Bye!